How to use. Take out the main part and all accessories. The connection socket on the weighing platform needs to be connected to the connection cable on the host computer. After the cable is connected, put the host into the socket of the weighing platform. There are 2 screw holes on the front, fixed with screws. There are 4 screw holes on Stas Paus, fixed with screws. Installation tray. There are 4 screw holes above the power port. Align the screw holes on the tray with the screw holes on the instrument, and then fix it with 4 screws. Connect the 2 handles to the interfaces on the left and the right sides, and then hand the 2 electrode handles on the brout. Install inkjet printer. Take out the printer host. Gently open the printer cover. Install the 2 ink cartridges on the printer, and then close the cover. Plug in the printer power card first, then plug the printer USB data cable into the host. USB socket. After turning on the instrument, click the printer. Switch. Put the matching paper into the paper inlet. Open the paper output tray of the printer. Install the microthermal printing paper. Open the cover. Put in the thermal or printing paper with the paper opening facing up, and then close the cover. Check whether the memory card is inserted. The specific detection and analysis report will be automatically backed up to the memory card. You can remove the memory card and view it on the computer. Connect the power supply and turn on the main switch. The system initializes and waits for 10 seconds for the following interface to appear. You need to activate it when you turn it on for the first time. Enter the activation code 068379. It will show that activation is successful and shut down. Turn on the computer again and directly enter the default password, 6 zeros. Select mobile terminal or PC terminal if you do not select it. The system will enter the mobile version by default. Click Basic Settings below to enter the settings. Language settings, English time setting. Click the key and V key to set the date and time length unit. Click CM or feed to convert the display unit speaker settings. Wi-Fi settings. Click Wi-Fi settings. Click Network Search. Search for the corresponding Wi-Fi name. Click the font, Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password through the keyboard. Click Confirm. Settings to connect. You can see whether it is connected on the main page. Success. The main function of Restore Factory Settings is to restore the original parameter settings to the factory default state, but will not delete the stored data. After setting, click OK to return to the main page. After clicking Test, click J to add a new custom customer and enter customer information. Click ID, enter letters or numbers through the keyboard on the right, and click OK. Click Age, enter the actual age of the tester. Click Sex, FEFN stands for female, MEM stands for male. Click Hide, enter the number and click OK. Click Test in the lower left corner to enter the FIO test. before the test. Please take off your shoes, socks, and gloves. Stand on the weighing platform with both feet evenly touching the metal plate of the weigh platform and your hands naturally, and keep still and measure when you hear a beep sound at the end. The weight measurement data will be displayed on the screen. If the weight test operation is incorrect, the interface will not automatically switch. Ray test. Wait and try again with the correct operation. Click Next to test beer to enter the beer measurement interface. Click Next to test beers holds the electrode handle with both hands, presses the electrode piece on the electrode handle with the thumb and straightens the arm to 15 degrees. Click Test to start the test. When you hear the beep sound, the measurement is completed, and the test data table will appear on the screen. There is a QR code on the interface, which you can scan with your mobile phone to add an electronic version of the test report. Click the button in the lower left corner to refresh the QR code. If you need paper version of the test report, click the print icon and the printer will print out the report. You can also take out the memory card and put it on the computer. Read the report. Click the record and then click delete. Click to confirm the deletion to delete the detection record. The dried search a quick way to find tester profiles. Click Find to enter the interface. Enter the tester ID, and the screen will display the tester's test record. Vadana test to help the 100 test. Search for the tester's ID and click Test to enter the test. Vadana detection indications, people with pacemakers and pregnant women.